Hi guys, so hi, I'm Lainey. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know, I did vlog one video before this. I don't know if it's gonna go up because it was kind of hectic and I'm like kind of getting back into the rhythm of things, but let me do a little catch up. My camera broke, I got married, we're moving, and we're moving on the 15th. Today's the 1st, and we're going on vacation from the 2nd to the 10th. So with that being said, I have my Celsius, and oh, my mom's calling me. Hold on. How many towels should I bring?
Not working today?
I worked until 12. My check engine light turned on, so I went to okay, I'm back. I don't remember what I was saying. I just have a lot to do. So today I am packing for myself and Isla. Eric is just gonna pack himself because he's a big boy. I have a lot to do. It is currently 1:39. I have to leave in 10 minutes to go get waxed. So I'm just gonna show you guys my packing list that I've been working on. This is what it looks like. Pause to screenshot. I'm not a professional packer. Let me show you the state of my suitcase right now. So yeah, that's the state of my suitcase. This is mine and Isla's and our beach toys. So yeah, we have to fit all of that into the suitcase, and I would like to only have one suitcase. I'm actually I'm gonna show you guys my apartment. Don't be alarmed, I'm moving. So yeah, there's Poppy Seed. Hi Poppy Seed, have you guys missed her? Poppy, say hi. Meow. I love her. I'm gonna miss her so much while I'm gone. I think she knows because she's been doing that more than usual. So I think she knows that we're leaving. But I think I'm gonna try to fit all. I got that for Isla's rooms. Isn't it cute? You are my sunshine. I am going to. Why is there a green light flashing on my camera? I just got a new camera and I don't know how it works. Oh, look at our Nugget. Isla's obsessed with her baby and her cat. She's at my grandparents right now. I'm usually at work on Fridays, but I'm obviously not. But I'm gonna try to fit all of Isla's stuff into her suitcase, or into her diaper bag, so the suitcase will just be me and Eric for the most part. We'll see. We're gonna buy diapers when we get there. Like, I'll just bring diapers to get us there, and then when we get there, well, there's a Walmart like right there, so we'll get diapers there. I'm gonna bring wipes. I'm gonna bring nighttime diapers. I already have swim diapers, so I have to remember to pack those, but if I forget them, not a big deal. But I have to leave to go get waxed. I am back from my appointment. I ran into Target quick because I needed like sunscreen and stuff, and they didn't have any, so I'm gonna have to go to Walmart after my Orange Theory class. But I just separated my clothes. This is not everything I'm gonna pack. This is just like a rough idea of what I want to pack, and then Isla's clothes. So I'm gonna try to fit all of Isla's clothes into there. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna put Isla's sleep sack and her diapers, her nighttime diapers, in the big suitcase, and I think I'm gonna bring her bib and her fork that she likes to eat with, just because I feel like that'll make my life a little bit easier. But I have a lot of clothes, a lot of bathing suits. 1, 2, I have like a short sleeve, a long sleeve, another long sleeve, and a shorts and short sleeve for pajamas. Oh wait, no, this is long pants. I thought it was short sleeves. Oh, short sleeves. Sorry, it's my computer. So this is one of the pants that, so that's all pajamas. I have one, like, I brought this and this in case it's cooler at night and she can just throw a sweatshirt on. And then I just have, like, with Isla, that's what I'm afraid of. She goes through clothes fast. So I have a lot of bathing suits, but I want to have, like, extra clothes in case. Look at this. We're going to be at the beach for the 4th of July. Look how freaking cute that is. And then we all have family matching shirts, too, with all shorts. So cute. But, yeah, I'm worried about running out of clothes for her. We should be fine, though. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna fit all this into the suitcase, or into the diaper bag.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out?
fit all of her clothes and everything in her big diaper bag with no problem. I just took out these toys. I'm going to put them in our toy bucket for the car. I'll show you guys that later. And then in the diaper bag that I use day to day, I packed 10 diapers in it because I figured that'll get us through probably 2 days. And then I have wipes. I just have that. That's always in there. Sorry, my microwave's going off. A changing pad and sunscreen. This is like what I use every day, so I didn't really just added more diapers. And I took out a change of clothes because we have all those clothes in here. I'm gonna pack her like snacks and everything when I pack us snacks, and we're gonna have coolers. So this is Isla. I put shoes in here for her too, and I did fit her bib and her fork, which I mean they weren't big, so it's no issue. Now I have to do mine, which I'm packing out a sleep sack in mine and her nighttime diapers in mine. So wish me luck with that, but my lunch actually just finished, so I'm gonna go eat my lunch first. I just finished eating, and now I have to do my bag, which I'm stressed out about. Because I also have to, I forgot we have to bring towels, so I'm only going to bring 2 towels, because Isla can just, like, use our towels. I also have to get beach towels, we don't have any. And, yeah, so now I'm going to pack my stuff, which I have a lot, and I know it's a little bit ridiculous, and so I need to like go through. We're gonna be there for a week, but we're only going, like, we're gonna be away for the week, but we're only gonna be at the beach for like 4 or 5 days, so I don't need that many bathing suits. So I'm gonna go through my bathing suits. I know I have a bathing suit that I want to bring in the dryer right now, so I have to get that. I think I'm gonna try to fit my stuff on the side of the suitcase that zips. We'll see, but okay. I know I want to bring this bathing suit because Isla has a cheetah print bathing suit, so I want to match her. So that, I don't think I'm going to bring this bathing suit because it's kind of like a grandma bathing suit, so I don't want that. This is like a cute little black cover-up dress, so I'm going to bring that. Oh, I love this bathing suit. I got this at American Eagle. I can link it. It's this fun bright orange, and it kind of like, it's so cute. Bringing that. This bathing suit I don't know if I'm gonna bring. I think I am though. And then I am gonna bring this bathing suit. I just have to find the bottoms. It's just black and it has black bottoms. Not gonna bring this bathing suit. This is kind of like the orange one, this black one, so I am going to bring this because I know I like how this looks on my body. This is actually just one shoulder. So I'm going to bring that. I'm not going to bring this bathing suit. And then, pajamas, I am going to bring this cute black dress because Eric and I are going to go on a date night. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to bring that because there's a floral dress that I have that I do want to bring. I am going to bring, this is like another romper cover up. Love that. And I also have it in tan. I'm going to bring both of those. I actually have flip-flops. And then for the drive, I'm going to wear those biker shorts and my favorite gray t-shirt. So I'm actually going to leave that out. I have to get underwear with that. And then I have a t-shirt, white t-shirt, pink t-shirt, and then I have another t-shirt, and I'm just going to bring a pair of sleep shorts. I'm going to bring like 2 total pajamas. I have to bring Isla's that. Here's another pair of shorts that I'm going to bring. I don't think I'm going to bring these. Actually, I think I'm going to bring my Free People movement shorts instead. Okay, I'm going to try to fit this all in the suitcase. Wish me luck. Okay, I know I'm packing too much, but I separated it out. This is pajamas, t-shirts, stuff like that. Sports bras with some nice pair of sandals I'm bringing. Those are Isla's toys that I'm going to bring. This is my anniversary there, so I'm not going to show you, but my towels. We're bringing 2 towels and sheets, bathing suits, and then dresses / cover-ups right there. So I'm going to try to fit all of this into one side of the suitcase.
And fall into the garden that you grew. You would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. So you finally running far away from your history.
Guys, I don't know how I did it. That's my underwear, which is kind of weird, but I fit everything in one side of the suitcase. I just had to put my shoes on Eric's side and then like our towel sheets and Isla's nighttime diapers, which will be fine because Eric like packs super light, but I still have to pack toiletries and stuff like that. But I have to go to Orange Theory, so I'm very proud of myself for getting this done though. It's a couple hours later now. I'm showered, hair is washed, Eric is home, Isla's asleep, and I am, you're directly in my way, I am finishing packing up. So we have the slumber pod ready to go. This is my suitcase along with like our sheets, our towels, Isla's sheets, and then I'm gonna put like our sunscreen stuff in there too. Her slumber pod fan and her baby monitors also in here. Tomorrow I have to remember to pack her sound machine when we pack the pack and play. So I'm gonna hopefully fit that stuff in there, and then Eric can bring this out to the car. And Eric still has to pack too. I'm about to close my suitcase, but I got all of our toiletries, Isla's diapers, all of our bedding, towels, and stuff like that in my suitcase. And then Eric is folding laundry right now, and he will pack his own little duffel bag. And this one just got in my suitcase because she's sad that we're leaving. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna play with Grammy and Papa. Okay, bye. But I'm gonna close this, and Eric's gonna go put it in the car. And then I'm going to, I think I'm gonna take all of Isla's toys out of the packaging so it'll fit better in the beach bag. And then that bag is what I'm. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Whatever. And then that, no, we're not bringing her soccer ball. And then that bag right there is what I'm gonna keep with me in the car. I'm gonna put like my computer, my chargers, my iPad, like things that I want accessible in there. You're gonna bring your computer?
Yeah, I want to watch that fight tomorrow night.
The lighting in my kitchen is really bad right now, but I got this toy beach bag from Target. It was the Stony Clover Lane launch. And then all of Isla's beach toys I also got from like the Target dollar spot. They were all like $3. Yeah. And I literally got every single combination there was. This one, yeah, $3 for a bucket.
And
then
you get the sandcastles?
Look at this one.
We're gonna make some sandcastles.
This one, yeah, this one was also $3. I thought this one would be more expensive because it was bigger. But, and then I also got her, because our house has a pool, so I got her this for the pool. We'll see. I think I'm gonna leave that in the packaging.
There's also a kiddie pool in the car.
And I bought a kiddie pool for the beach.
Yeah.
And I have that pump in the car for her.
Excellent.
But yeah, I'm going to get it all in here, and hopefully it fits better because it was bursting at the seams. I was right. Everything fit a lot better. This I didn't put in, so I'm just going to put this in the back of the car because I'm not going to take it out of the box because I don't know if we're going to fit. We're going to bring my suitcase and this out to the car right now, and Eric is laying on the nugget in the middle of his laundry.
What's better than lying in the middle of an armful of his laundry?
I just packed Isla's toy box. We usually always have this in the back of the car, but it usually has a lot less stuff in it. So I just have like a bunch of books, this LED like scroll pad, bubbles, a placemat for when we stop to eat at a restaurant. This is from DIAPER because I think this also has placemat in it. I don't know. This has her bug spray, and her sunscreen is usually in here too, but that I packed away. In the other bag, and there's just like a bunch of toys that she doesn't really like see very often. Like she's never seen this remote, and she's been really into this lately, even though she doesn't take a pacifier. So that's gonna go back in the back of the car, and I'm just gonna put her little jean jacket that I always keep in the back of the car on top of that. And then in this bag, guys, you wanna know what's so funny? When I was little, right when my aunt and uncle got married, they got that LL Bean boat and tote, I think these are called, with their last name on it. And I remember thinking, oh my god, like when I get married I have to get it with my last. Sorry if you can hear the air conditioner, by the way, it's just so hot in here. But I remember thinking like, oh my god, I'm gonna get it with my last name when I get married. So that's like one of the first things I did when we got married. I ordered this for our vacation. And I'm not wearing a shirt because, like I said, it's so hot and I'm blurry. Hi. But it's so funny because when I told Eric about that, he was like, so sorry, I keep going out of focus, but Eric was like, so you want to get divorced because they're actually divorced now. So yeah, but anyways, in this bag I have a bunch of snacks. Like, this is for Isla for the week, like a bunch of snacks, an outfit to change Isla into when we stop, because we're just gonna like put her in the car with her pajamas. And then this has more like easy snacks in it, and then we're gonna put our chargers and our computers in this bag as well. But guys, that is everything. I actually have to put my battery on the charger, so my next video will be our road trip, so come back for that one. Pray for me, hopefully we survive, and I'm going to have to put this on the charger as well. So I will see you guys in my next video, and make sure to subscribe and all that fun stuff. Say bye, Eric.
Bye.
Bye. Poppy. Poppy. Bye.
There's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do.